Good morning. Today's Thursday, May 5th, and we're doing a commentary on business headlines. As we go to the business section of the Bing News, we see the airbags scandal still growing and growing. A lot of cars gotta be recalled into the tens of millions for faulty airbags technology. We see protection agencies for consumer rights. Verizon is still on strike. Aeropostale used to be the cool um, store that nobody really bought, unless for teenagers. Well, as you know, the U.S. economy grew only 0.3% for the first 3 quarters of the year. Alibaba fourth quarter earnings revenue rose 39%. They say the dollar is gonna raise against the euro. Well, the U.S. economy is weakening, so I don't know about that. Oh, the U.S. crude oil jumps 3% on Canadian wildfire. So we go to maybe Bloomberg. Let's see the commodities. Um, Crude oil is at 45.73. Nikkei has been closed since May 2nd, but last it dropped 500 points. A lot of hedge funds are struggling right now. Let's go to finance. Yeah, Tesla, the earnings came out. Let's see what happened. Well, it's still above $200 at $222. As you know, that they booked over $1 billion in pre-orders for the Tesla Model 3. They say the reported losses are narrower than Street's forecast. As you can see, it did drop from 250, from a high of 260 as well. Well, that's very common, since the big rise from the Tesla Model 3 release, that pumped it up over to 260. So it's just a little bit of a breather to 222. Let's go to Google. U.S. jobless claims post largest rise in more than a year. Rise in May. Well, the economy is still struggling. The Dow is at 17,651. There's an Australian that claimed to be the creator of the Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin is still beta in my opinion, and there's a lot of vulnerabilities that the other virtual currency that does not have. So I don't know why people want to use this version or the beta version of a virtual currency when other currencies have been more efficient in terms of mining and also lack of vulnerability. Yeah, it's about the Panama Papers affecting so many countries, and yet the journalists are not covering this issue as it should be. Alright, so this is May 5th, Thursday. This is a business commentary. Thanks for watching. And if you like the insights and the opinions, please do remember to subscribe and like the video. Yeah.